In order to get started, we need to get on the internet, and we're going to need a web browser in order to do so. Here are some examples of some more common and popular web browsers that may be installed on your computer. Locate one of these icons and single or double click in order to open up the program. In this particular example, we're going to use Microsoft Edge as it comes default with Windows 10. At the time this video is recorded, Windows 10 is the most current Windows operating system. We're going to start with opening up Microsoft Edge, and we're presented with a starting page. Do not get discouraged if you open up your web browser and do not see this page. This is all based on your custom settings or your browser defaults. In this example, we aren't using the search box in the center of the page, so it's irrelevant. We are going to be using the address bar, which is located here. In most current web browsers, the address bar can be used as a search box as well. Since we know the address we're going to go to the address bar and we're going to type in google.com followed by enter. And here's our starting point for our next step. From the google.com website, we're going to go to sign in the top right hand corner. And since we don't have an account at this point, we're going to click on create account. It's going to ask if it's for myself or to manage my business. Since it's a personal account, we're going to click on for myself. At this point, fill in your account detail information. If the name is not available, it'll give you suggestions or ask you, of course, to change it. I will select one of the suggestions and then enter your password and then click on next to continue. You're going to want to verify your phone number to verify it is you and legit. Once you enter your phone number, click on next, and you will receive a text message on your phone with a G- code, and followed by that, a number. Enter the number, and then click on verify. At this point, it's going to ask if you want to have a recovery email. This is optional. Put in your date of birth and your gender if you so choose. Then click on next. There's additional options here. We're just going to skip this, and then privacy and terms, scroll down to the bottom and click on I agree. That's it, that's all. Your Google account is created. To verify your account, please click on the letter icon in the top right hand corner, which is represented by the first letter of the first name you used to create the account. In addition, if you click on the square that is created by circles, you will see a list of the more popular apps and services available by Google. Congratulations on your new Google account. If this video is helpful, by all means, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for future videos. Thank you very much for watching.